Papa Grease.
Baby, wait, I know that you're afraid, but it'll be okay if you just stay with me. And we can run from here and we can disappear and they won't find us where we are going, dear. So baby, hold on to me, 'cause I know I can make you believe in something that only we can see. Oh, so baby, hold on to me, hold on to me.
Guys, welcome back to the channel. It's currently sometime around 5:45 and I am up. I just got done with taking a shower and I decided that, you know what, seeing that I'm not gonna upload every single day, I'm gonna try to make long vlogs. Hello, I tried to keep promises. I'm always I break them. No, if I break them, I keep them, right? Alright, that don't make no sense. So I don't want to promise, you know, so I do a long vlog, but I try my best. So I just take a shower. Right now I'm standing in the white room, starting off the video. My nails them look nice, see? Alright, so I wash my face and beard, but I brush my teeth because I don't finish eating me I eat it. And what no, I like when I go to the door, my teeth look, my teeth smell fresh. Me talk say, that's when people just wake up then chat garbage, you know. More smell fresh, like me look clean going to work. Alright, so I just 1 minute me take right there so that I want me out of my time and me really I try reach early because I keep on late these days. So I make sure I know what me I wear and then I go put it down probably until when me I go through the door. So if you're new, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend about Life as Dominic Awesomeness. If you're always there, hey, we're going to big up on yourself. And I don't know, me love and appreciate everybody. Make sure to leave a comment down below. Let's talk down in the comment section. Any additional information in the description box. My PayPal, anything you want to send me down there. So link to Odin and my channel, previous vlog, business email, everything down there. Alright, so make sure I know what I go wear and then I hurry up and get through the door because I gotta leave by 6:20. Yeah. Right, so for work today I'm going to wear this blue blouse and this yellow pants, and I had this something from Micheal Kors and I found them back at home, a bag filled with gym bangs, and I was like, these now wear again, but anyways I'm gonna wear it because it looks nice with my stuff. So yeah, I'll be back soon, okay people? Okay? Alright, stay tuned. Alright guys, so I'm currently on the outside, which means I'm on my way I got work now, right? It's about 6:26. Little bit, yeah. About 2 minutes after time I really want to leave out, but way better than sometimes that I leave out. So I'll let you guys know when I get to work, alright? Yeah, I'm gonna be a normal girl right now. No vlogging. Okay people, so time, when it comes down to time, it can be too early or too late out there because I'm well early and it seems like mega late. It seems like mega late. Honestly, you have to get the right teacher. I was told that the earlier it faster than taxi out of the load. I'm early, I'm come out and I'm going to my car. So what's happening? What's really happening? I mean, left me on early, so I don't know what's really happening. Are you guys able to see the raindrop? Let me see. Look. In the drop on my hand. Under the army. Hold on. Obviously the rain now fall. I don't know if it fall for me hand. Anyways, the rain now fall. This is our tomato tree. Hey, if you know where the tomato tree come from, it had come from all the way around when we deliver the first house. And when they plant that little tree would catch, I eat this. And it was only one tomato tree, and the one tomato tree turned success. This is it. Yeah. And Odin can actually plant some more new ones down there right now. See them I catch them I grow up. So
Yeah, and they're all grown natural. There's no fertilizer on them. And right now this is broccoli. We don't really sure how it grow, but we are watching the process to see what we'll get out of it. So this, and this there's about 4 broccolis. And so next one, probably 5 or so. Yeah. So tomato tree though. And we got probably more than 10 tomatoes from it already. It just a beer goes on non-stop. Yeah. So hey guys, what's up? It's a different day, and today I'm off to a very late start. My face is so dry because I not too long just don't take a shower, and I did not even did not even moisturize my face or anything like that. So just to come on here, I'm actually going to take my vitamins right now. I'm gonna have some vitamins because I already had something to eat, so I'm kind of gonna pump up my system with what I'm supposed to get, if that makes sense. Alright, so today is Saturday, and yeah, so today there's nothing much to do, but I'm gonna try to do something for you guys to make sure I get to the Saturday vlog. Alright, yes, so alright, there's definitely one thing. I know I'm gonna pick the tomatoes because we have some tomatoes ready on the tree outside, so I'm gonna pick them. Alright, so we guys gonna see what we reap off our little something, off our little garden, or they kind of put a whole lot of effort, and I'm so proud of him with all of this. So yeah. Alright people, so as I said, I'm gonna pick the tomato then, but I look for my slippers first. So I never me plant nothing but mega reap. It's the man behind the camera planting things there. And as he told my mother that I love to reap, which is not true, but do I like to reap, sir?
No, that's true.
Where me I talk like a farm, me I go down. Right here, so me I go. I'm just cut them off, like just take them off.
No, I said drag.
Me not drag it off.
See you next one in the
But I want to infuse. Infuse stiff.
Continue, Benny.
Okay. I guess this is a reminder I want cherry tomato. So this is one almost for everything. So this is our garden, and we have a whole heap of more tomato tree down there. So we have a sweet pepper tree, but somehow you can make a sweet pepper. Yes, you see, want to sit and grow? What kind of sweet pepper grow?
A hot pepper.
A hot pepper, you see it? So all they said, I did think there. I see it blossom a lot now. Or the one I did one pepper tree.
All the sweet pepper seed, me get end up to be black hot pepper. Wow. The broccoli I push out?
The broccoli I push out.
Yeah. You have just wait.
Wait, for sure another video. Wait there, hold on, I will tell you, people, how long we investigate this something here? We feel so good.
That's why I'm in a research, I just left it.
Crystal,
So that I want to start push up before
we
this.
are released broccoli in our garden.
So? Yeah, I believe.
Babes,
I just left them, make them grow.
I never see it every day. I look up to what they I look. I never, people, we are released garden, we are released.
I know we are ready.
What you say, I know we. You know we have to go do right, go put on that. Before you start going.
Yeah, I'm
If you go that one lean up. Him outside I need to go inside. Go put on clothes. People, it's not the fact that I'm frightened for broccoli. It's just the fact that we garden I produce broccoli, and we were like in the process of wondering how broccoli grew, and I'm amazed by what I'm seeing here. Look, and we have, so I guess one tree produce one single broccoli.
Yeah, it's me.
It look like a one tree per broccoli. Oh, the other side in there, You don't think so? Probably that's why I said deer, because look how long a tree takes to grow, and if one big old tree only produce one, probably that's why it's expensive. Eh? I'm so excited about all of that. This is I guess a little reaping farming there. Nothing much now come to it. Saturday, and this is a lazy Saturday. We have pepper tree too. So we have pepper tree there. Eh?
You reason why they take so long to be a car when you spray them.
Oh, true, not put no fertilizer upon them.
Oh. They spray for them so they grow fast.
And our tree is 95% natural. Because we throw fertilizer in the ground.
That's not me attack spray.
What kind of fertilizer there?
Fertilizer spray upon them and force them to grow.
Oh, so I guess it's a little seed fertilizer was put in the ground that no do nothing. I want to. So baby's going to tie up the tomato tree. Teacher Grizzle, but also Farmer Grizzle. Just call him Farmer and then you want to give up the teaching for farming? So what stick we're going to use to hold it up?
No, the roads are where you have
No. You can't tap on the floors. No, you don't tap on the floors.
You're not own nothing out there.
Babe, what you mean me not own? What you mean me not own out here?
I tire so.
Up on the palm floor, the place.
No, do something. We're not going, woman. Allow me and my problem.
Freddy. Alright. So we're very tired of it. So I see how people look there. You see all along I saw a tomato tree. I don't remember when I went back out there the first house and we only had one tomato tree. One single tomato tree. And that one single tomato tree will take months to grow. I eat this. Only once I did one single tomato tree, Nabi. One, and look how the one single tomato tree we transport it come at the new house and it turned one big old tree. And then look, we have a whole garden of tomatoes. Tomato trees there. Babe, so you saw how crowded it is?
So they're going in another space and I'm not just put now.
Wow. We can just call him Farmer Grizzle. Should they look at the green of farming? You guys, definitely you have to always have something on the side to keep your mind fresh. You know? And I think this is a hobby that him actually enjoy doing. Right? Because remember in the video that I just previously posted, I said Odion that really love the sun hot man. Yes, yeah, so Odion would really enjoy the cutlass. Yeah, him said this morning I want one cutlass and I was like, you know, I went to True Value and I saw a cutlass there. Yeah. And so we have mint tree, yeah? So we can run out of tea. If we don't have any gas problem, just link we up. We have mint tree. And in mint, yeah. Alright guys, so I just went outside and got some aloe vera, think Bible, whichever you know it as. I have a piece of pan in the fridge and pan overripe. When pan overripe, me can't eat nothing with overripe. That's just the moral of the story right there. So I'm gonna blend it with this aloe vera right here and a little ginger and throw a little some Cuba ice in there and just drink it and then probably just take the extras and put on my face. So like the skin, leftover skin, because you know the skin part, we don't want a part of the blend. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do right now.
I can show you what love's supposed to feel like. I can show you what love's supposed to be. I can show you what love's supposed to feel like. I can show you, yeah. I can show you, yeah.
Okay, peeps, so I got the we just like a show and say I mean the what name? the pine, the aloe vera, and the ginger, and Grizzle come press the thing. Alright, might as well we just blend it.
I can show you what love's supposed to feel like.
Okay, this is how it turned out. So looking at my camera, can say yes, so wet. Wow, wipe off. See? Alright, all wiped off. Alright, so it blend out now. So now what I'm gonna do is strain it and throw a little ice cube in there and see how it tastes. People, let's see if this is bitter or not. You know?
I can show you what love's supposed to feel like. I can show you what love's supposed to be. I can show you what love's supposed to feel like. I can show you, yeah. I can show you, yeah. You're the light inside of me every night. We're chasing dreams, ain't got time to make 'em see what we believe. You and me, yeah.
Okay guys, so alright, to be honest with you, there is no sugar added to this. It's just the pine, a little ginger, and the aloe vera. Yeah. Alright, so yeah, we'll put the ice cube in. I'm just nervous. I wonder if the pine is sweet enough. Alright, smell piney. This is actually good. If I had more pine, this would have been great. Grizzle. This nice. This nice. Not sugar not in the people. Grizzle. Beer. Grizzle. Where are they gone? Mr. Padma did it. Okay guys, so for lunch we're going to have hot dog, and I think Odin is, you know, out on a little exercise because we said they put tomato and bacon and chopping board to cut up the tomato and make it look nice. Anyways, so we're just here, people. It's just a home vlog. So we're having hot dogs for lunch, and baby's currently, you know, prepping the tomatoes for hot dogs. Alright, see his boss having bread there, cutting the bread, okay, and that's how you cut a bread for a dog. Alright, so we have the ingredients. Mayo, he's going to paste it with some mayonnaise. Alright, so baby's going to paste it with some mayo. So alright, shuffle it now. Okay, so if I paste it, you have to paste it that way, the special way how he's pasting the mayo on the bread. So yeah, I think that if I paste it like that, it makes it taste better. So you paste it like that, it tastes better. And then he's doing the same to this one. Alright, so now we have no put no more on it. No put no more mayonnaise on it. Me figure it out. And we have cheese, we have little Lasco hot pepper sauce, and we have little tomato ketchup. So babe, what a mix. So what normally people, what we do, we just always kind of share our cheese inside we do a dog. No big deal. You want to use an whole of cheese, then you use a whole of cheese. Yes, hurry up, that dog will get cool. Yeah, but whatever. So I guess this is how you put in the boy, it's a big cooking one. For a regular basis, people just dash everything in the
Yeah, enough, sir.
Oh my god. Alright, so this is so neat. We should have a look at lettuce. But we don't have no lettuce today. They get some more tomato than me.
You can't talk even a wait, you see your bread full.
my bread no full. Alright, so hot dog I come mix over this so. Hurry up now. Babe, just get one regular pot for the hot dog.
Reggie, no, you can't if you do sit now, me and do it, you know. So don't rush me.
Alright. He went for that. Look, hot dog look shubly. Look sugar.
You never turn off yet.
Can them boil? Wait, they say boil? I'm gonna add the cheese now. Add the cheese.
Oh yeah.
Just fry the cheese. Alright. If I let the way we do this, we just always do this. I mean, we don't waste the cheese. Well, if I eat it now, waste, but we kind of save pan with cheese. Try cheese.
But I waste.
Two. Yeah, I see we save pan with cheese. Try cheese there. And you guys have seen in vlogs that I have done at the supermarket. Cheese expensive, so yeah. Then ketchup. Give us a nice swirly behind ketchup. Yeah. Hey, we can fix up my one good enough. Fix up my one good. Maybe no more for me ketchup. Don't have added in a while. Mustard! I need mustard on my. Let me say on my hot dog. I'm gonna shake you. I need mustard on my hot dog. Look how my hot dog look ugly. I feel one need.
Because I have fun.
Alright, mustard. Alright, mayonnaise already placed in there. Babe don't like mustard, so he's not gonna have any mustard. And then buckle ketchup with top off mine. You want buckle ketchup?
Buckle what?
Pepper, butter pepper. I'm sorry, people. Alright. Extra, that's extra. Next thing you're gonna call for your eat. And that is our lunch, our full recipe on how to make hot dogs at home. See you next time on the cooking show. I'm not telling you if you figure out farmer instead of become teacher. Watch out. The man gone over the bush gone look stick for in tomato tree. A tomato tree I look stick for it? Yeah. In tomato tree. Call him Farmer Grizzle. Take the teacher off her name.
Yeah, I can do that.
Farmer Grizzle. Alright, Farmer Grizzle, big up yourself. And you guys can call me Reaper Tash. All I do is reap the stuff. That's my job. Implant. Me reap.
Chop off your hand.
People, guys, I say if you go, somebody plant and you reap. If somebody plant can't always reap, you have to always have somebody for reap. So, implant. No. In this case, you plant and me reap. It's a team. So you plant, water, and do everything. Mold up it and me reap. Babes, it's not a hard job. We just reap it, just go out there and pick them off, and you do all of the hard work. Okay? Why? Oh my god. I think this is where I'm going to end out the vlog though. I want to do my face. My face want to start out. I'm just going to make it a broccoli like a broccoli. I must broccoli. My face a broke out, man. Guys, this is where this video is going to end for today. It was our own vlog. We just chill, easy. You see, look at gardening, look at this, look at that. We did nothing. There are days like this where we do nothing at all. So I guess it's one of those days. So see that it's gonna get late. I'm gonna end out the video, edit it, and because I started editing it, I'm gonna edit it out, finish edit it, and then upload it. Yeah, find one stick. So alright guys, I'll see you in another video. So until then, it's your girl Dominique. I'm showing a Farmer Grace, make Farmer Grace say bye bye. So until then, people, don't forget to like, share, leave a comment down below. Any information you want in the description box is right there. I think all the necessary information. And tell a friend to tell a friend about this channel. So may I turn on the camera for Farmer Grizz, make him tell her no. Bye. Okay? Farmer Grizz, the video end. Farmer Grizz, the video end. Tell people them later. Farmer Grizz, tell people them later. That's how you say later?
Yeah, yes, me a job.
Okay, bye guys. Real farmer this, you know? Real farmer.